اوکے اب آج کیا کہیں تمہارا ہمارا فیلڈ ٹرپ ہے یا اگر آپ دیکھیں یہ میرے پاس تو ڈفرنٹ بیک پیک ہے بٹ یہ تو کوئی بات نہیں ہے. چلو ہم پیکنگ اسٹارٹ. اوریوز چیک. I don't know why میں نے آپ کو پورا نہیں دکھایا but I don't know. Flaming hot Funyuns onion flavor drinks ہے پتہ نہیں اگر پاکستان ملتے. And as you know, butter puff original crackers. अच्छा कैमरा है. Hi Johnny. Yes. Hi Jonathan. I am the goat. You are the goat?
Yeah, because we used to we used to call him Papa John whenever we got Papa John's pizza because his name is Jonathan.
Why?
So we call him John.
Get around, so sit down.
Children's garden. Oh, glasses have it's gonna be so hot. So he said don't touch it. I'm not touching it. I'm putting my that's sewage. That's water. That's ooey gooey. Well, let me guys, this is a big peacock. There's tiger. We're gonna see the tigers.
I'm so excited to see the tigers. There's the tiger.
And giraffe. And giraffe. Get that face. There's the giraffe. There's the giraffe. like a little zoo. It's a little zoo.
I'm like sucking on monkeys.
Oh my god, look at that. Guys, the lion. Mato bhi khud hi lion hai. You can take a picture. इधर बहुत वार्म भी है, बहुत ज़्यादा वार्म है इधर तो। ये देखो इधर कैक्टस भी है, हम इसको टच नहीं कर सकते तो अगर ये फेक भी है। पाकिस्तान में कोई डेजर्ट नहीं है। अब ये देखो डेजर्ट है। Can we touch this rock? I don't know. ये कितना अच्छा सा है। Again big. Texas Ebony. चलो हम somewhere else जाए। पहले रेन फॉरेस्ट में हमने जाना तो उधर बहुत सारे people थे, अब हम somewhere else जा रहे हैं।
Look, that looks like a smile, and that looks like two eyes.
Let's see.
पता नहीं।
I want to go in there. See a lot of people there.
हमें पता लग गया हमने कहाँ पे जाना है। हम वापस रेन फॉरेस्ट पे जा रहे हैं। उधर से सारे बच्चे
Line up right here. They're getting ready to come out. Line.
चलो वो हम चल रहे उधर भी ट्रैफिक लग गई थी अपने एंट्रेंस पे। अब हम ऊपर वाली एंट्रेंस पे जा रहे, फिर नीचे वाली, फिर ऊपर वाली, फिर नीचे वाली, पता नहीं कैसे जा रहे।
Anything. Where's the rest of our group? Let's go.
Oh my god, सारे ये देखो। Oh my god, yo, this is so cool.
Don't touch it, remember?
Yeah, don't. What, to have a car? I know it's something about car, you know.
Oh, that floor. Look, careful, that floor.
Yeah, be careful. Don't fall and break your face.
How do you fall?
Don't need any broken faces.
Crack your skull.
Right here.
Why do I make pictures of? Why do I look like them? Take a picture, Mom. Take a picture, Mom. Wait. It's just one set. It's a drawing.
Oh my god, ये देखो कितने प्यारे से plants।
the noise down.
Move.
You're going there.
Bro, I can't get on my backpack.
ये dead butterflies है सारे
Dead. Bro. Bro, move.
वे हम वापस आ गए Oh my god we could have had a
Hey, guys, get out of there.
Bro, don't go see this.
गार्डन में हम में भी जाएंगे चलो हम टीचर को फॉलो करें
I love shiny.
You love what?
Shiny.
Oh,
Come on.
then make yourself shiny. One of your food is shiny.
Look, it's like a miniature cow thing.
Oh, your food is shiny, so basically you love your food.
Your smile is so adorable.
Oh, ये हमने ये लैवेंडर है
Walk, please.
Oh, what's the goal of this tree?
Yeah, that's
Oh, it's yo, what's up, guys? What's up? Hey, guys! Everybody! Guys! We're about to take a photo. Come on. Oh, bro, this is our home. Yeah. This is our school. This is our home. You behind me.
चलो अब कोई गार्डन में एरिया में ये माउथ है पीछे फेरी गेल आइलैंड
Oh, look, a butterfly.
a butterfly
Oh my god. Oh! Guys, it's water!
This
Water, it's not for
lunch
Where's Hunter?
मुझे इतनी भूख लगी हुई है देखो भाभी इधर से खा लेगा
Stop moving.
It's the White House ये White House की जैसी है
Did you say that?
Oh my God आगे भाई आगे चागे भाई आगे चागे मेरे छोटे बच्चे Oh my God यार हम आगे ओके अब हम बटरफ्लाई एग्जिबिट पे जा रहे हैं हम बटरफ्लाइज के पास जा रहे हैं
Sea cranes over here.
Yeah, all of our names
Gentlemen,
All right, everybody. Still here, right? What do they hear with? Let's go with you. The antennae. The antennae are a structure with a few different purposes. They take over the senses that normally we would have in our ears and nose, right? So, butterflies hear with their antennae. Butterflies smell with their antennae. Do butterflies have noses? No. So they smell with their antennae, right? They have the same smell receptors in their antennae that we have in our nose, all right? So, butterfly antennae. What else is connected to the butterfly head? Their eyes. Butterflies have eyes, yes?
Yeah.
Yes. What kind of eyes do butterflies have? Raise your hand. Compound eyes. Compound eyes are a kind of eye that is made up of a bunch of little eyes. As a matter of fact, I have a microscopic picture here to show you. This is going to be a little hard to see from far away, but all of these little bumps on this butterfly eye are one individual lens of an eyeball, okay? Imagine if you had thousands of eyes on your face. It would cost a lot for glasses, right? Okay. Butterflies' eyes are good for seeing color. They're great for seeing color. They're not good at seeing details. They can see that your shirt is red or green or pink. They cannot really tell very well that it's not a bed of flowers, okay? So, butterfly eyes. What's one more thing connected to a butterfly's face? Back there. Sorry? A tongue. Okay. So, I want to reframe this for you. Everybody here has been to a restaurant, yes? Everybody here has used a straw? So you order a drink, you have a straw in it, in your milkshake, your water, your pop, all right? And you use the straw to suck up all the liquid. Are straws good for solids? No, we do not eat rice with a straw, okay? However, the butterfly only needs to drink nectar, exactly. So, they have a straw permanently affixed to the front of their face, okay? They have this straw, which is called a proboscis. Everybody say proboscis.
Proboscis.
The butterfly's proboscis is how they eat. It curls up when they are ready to fly away, and it unfurls when they are ready to eat, okay?
After charging, इधर हम फिल्म नहीं कर सकते butterflies को, हम butterflies को नहीं film कर सकते, so हम उसको put away in the camera. कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है, वो क्या है, हम वो कर सकते हैं. Can we film? Can we film?
No. She said yeah.
This looks like rainforest. ये rainforest का जैसा है. Are the butterflies in here?
Took a picture of a yellow.
The Pacific Islands there.
I want to live to this island. Oh, is that birch tree?
Where is this island? Oh, birch tree.
It's called that birch tree.
Birch tree है.
Birch is my favorite type of wood.
In Minecraft, yes.
Minecraft is so good.
Minecraft birch is. What do you mean birch?
Oh my god.
Once you've looked, go down to the bottom of the ramp and stop right there.
Hey, he said stop right there.
इधर पता नहीं सारे मेरे फ्रेंड्स कह रहे इधर butterfly भी है.
I found one dead over there.
इधर एक dead है.
Ew, it's a roach.
ये आते हैं जब वो sunny होते हैं. इधर butterfly भी है. Okay guys, bro, stop it.
Oh wait, don't stop.
You can't touch it.
Stop.
इधर एक butterfly है.
Here, stop. Here, guys, look. Here. How's it land? I want to land.
Down in Ohio. Oh my god.
The secret exit to New York.
Restricted entrance. There's a
Guys, don't even try.
इधर क्या है?
Okay, I'm looking at all the homes. Guys, you can't come up here. Only 3 people. Julia, you can't come up here. Only 3 people. You can get better shots. Yes. No, you can't. Solomon, only 3 people. Only 3 people. Only 3 people. Mr. Seeger, this said only 3 people. Okay, whatever. Don't listen to Mr. Seeger. It's 3. It's 3 people. He said only 3 people, not everyone. He said 3 people. Not everyone. कितना मजा. I'm trying to get a good shot. Oh my God, सारे आगे पागल से बच्चे. I don't know. There's still a bunch of people. Look. You guys have to go down. Only go. मैंने उनको समझाया था भी. वो बस वो आगे. He said you guys aren't gonna go on YouTube.
You're not going to listen. You're not going anywhere.
As आप देख सकते हैं, ये fake नहीं है, real. The meat में ये let me take a picture real quick. Big juicy boy. हम पैसे लिखवाए और हमारे टीचर हमें नहीं देख कर गए गिफ्ट शॉप. वापस आ गए. You know unicorns going this. Be quiet. You still live Zebon, but that didn't comes every 130 years. I think that's a lot. What are the chances? It's a rainbow. But it got
Like where? All over.
It's your secret. But he has extra plastic.